Most buildings today are complex to build, expensive to operate, hard to maintain, and quick to wear out. They are built from a complex system and vast array of different materials, many coordinated processes, and many weak connections. Over time, this leads to high energy use, constant repairs, and buildings not resilient to extreme weather, sun, and snow. They struggle to last. There is a better way to build. Ultra-high performance monolithic modular buildings are built as one continuous structure. Instead of separate walls and roofs, the building acts as a single concrete shell. This makes it stronger, tighter, and far more energy efficient. This construction method has been used for more than 50 years and provides what FEMA calls near absolute protection and has now been adapted for modern modular buildings. Because the structure is continuous, there are almost no air leaks. And because the concrete infrastructure is inside a 3-inch layer of foam insulation, its thermal mass dramatically improves its energy efficiency. That means a small fraction of energy is needed to heat and cool the building. In many cases, real-life energy use is reduced by 50 to 75% compared to conventional homes. Many schools and churches built with this method say they have saved so much in energy costs that the building paid for itself in 20 years. These buildings also use fewer materials and create far less construction waste. The advantages stack up: lower energy, lower waste, lower environmental impact for decades. Monolithic concrete shell buildings are naturally resistant to fire, wind, hail, tree damage, mold, pests, and water damage. They are sought after for use in areas exposed to hurricanes, tornadoes, wildfires, earthquakes, and extreme weather. Communities in Tornado Alley receive FEMA grants to build these for their storm shelter. More advantages: they do not rot, they do not warp, they do not slowly fail the way conventional buildings often do. This is construction method designed to last for generations. The same building system can be used for many applications: permanent housing, accessory dwelling units, tiny houses, cabins and hunting shacks, resort units, home offices and home gyms. It can also serve as long-term infrastructure: dignified homeless shelters built to last decades, emergency and disaster response shelters, secure bug-out shelters and safe rooms, buried or earth-covered bunkers, contractor site offices, vertical garden grow domes for food production. The use can change, the size can change, the location can change, but the performance stays the same. Because these buildings last longer and cost less to operate, they tend to hold value over time. Lower maintenance, lower energy costs, higher durability. For families, organizations, and communities, these buildings function as long-term assets, not as a temporary disposable solution. The advantage of a modular design is that the units can be lifted and placed on a trailer and repurposed at a new location if needs change. Ultra-high-performance monolithic modular buildings are not a trend. They are a proven construction method, updated for modern needs. This video is shared as a general introduction to the method and the myriads of uses for anyone interested in exploring this option.